Hello students, in previous video we learned about the asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. All of you know that what is mean by asexual reproduction. It is a main type of reproduction which is divided into two types. First one is the asexual reproduction in unicellular organism and another one is the asexual reproduction in multicellular organism, in which the asexual reproduction in unicellular organism mainly divided into three types. First one is the binary fission, second one is the multiple fission and third one is the budding. In that, binary fission is further divided into three types. First one is the simple binary fission, second one is the transverse binary fission and third one is the longitudinal binary fission. In that, see, amoeba performs simple binary fission because due to lack of shape, amoeba divide into any plane of body. That's why the fission of amoeba is called as simple binary fission. The meaning of fission is to break किंवा it is a opposite of fusion. Fusion म्हणजे काय? Combine होणे. Fission म्हणजे काय? Break होणे. Second one is the paramecium performs transverse binary fission because it divides transversely, and third one is the longitudinal binary fission. Which organism performs longitudinal binary fission? तर Euglena performs longitudinal binary fission. हा झाला first type in asexual reproduction in unicellular organism. Okay. Now in this video we will discuss about the second type multiple fission and third type budding. त्यातला पहिला आता आपण पाहणार आहोत multiple fission. What is mean by multiple fission? See here, the word itself indicate that multiple means more than one. एकापेक्षा अनेक, and fission means all of you know that fission means the body of such organism divide into or breaks into many parts. That kind of fission called as multiple fission. बघा, हे मल्टिपल फिजन कोणामध्ये होतं? तर मल्टिपल फिजन परफॉर्म बाय अमीबा अँड अदर प्रोटिस्ट. ॲज आपल्याला डायग्राममध्ये दिसते की कोणाकडून होतं ते अमीबा अँड अदर प्रोटिस्ट. व्हेन सच टाइप ऑफ मल्टिपल फिजन ऑकर, बघा, binary fission occur when the favorable conditions are available, when there is a lots of availability of water and food takes place. At that time binary fission takes place. Opposite to binary fission, multiple fission takes place when there is a lack of food and water, means when there is a adverse condition happened, the amoeba performs multiple fission. What actually happen in multiple fission? Let's see. See here, first of all, when there is a lack of food and water takes place, amoeba perform such type of multiple fission. At that time amoeba stop their movement. काय करतो? amoeba stop their movement and also stop the formation of pseudopodia. काय करतो अमीबा? अमीबा stop their movement and also stop the formation of pseudopodia. Due to this, it become a rounded and it create a protecting cover around itself. काय करतो तो? It create a protecting cover around itself. Such protecting cover or such encysted amoeba or some other protist are called as cyst. त्यांना काय म्हटलं जातं? पुटी असं म्हटलं जातं. ह्या कवरिंगमध्ये असलेल्या अमिबांना काय म्हटलं जातं? सिस्ट. ॲट दॅट टाईम आफ्टर दॅट व्हॉट हॅपन? बघा ॲज डायग्राममध्ये आपल्याला दिसते देर इज अ डिव्हिजन ऑफ रिपीटेड डिव्हिजन ऑफ न्यूक्लिअर मेम्ब्रेन टेक्स प्लेस. आता न्यूक्लिअर मेम्ब्रेनचं डिव्हिजन झाल्यामुळं काय होतं? ड्यू टू द रिपीटेड डिव्हिजन ऑफ न्यूक्लिअर मेम्ब्रेन देर इज अ नंबर ऑफ न्यूक्लियस फॉर्म. And after that there is a also division of cytoplasm takes place जसं की आपल्याला डायग्राममध्ये दिसते. and after these two when division of nucleus and cytoplasm takes place the daughter amoeba are formed in the cyst but they are not coming outside. When they are coming outside, when the favorable conditions are occur, these daughter amoeba are open to arrive. जोपर्यंत ॲडवर्स कंडिशन असते तोपर्यंत ते कुठं असतात? आतमध्येच असतात. when the favorable conditions are occur, this daughter amoeba are open to arrive and this daughter amoeba called as amoeboli. Okay, it's called as a amoeboli. Like this multiple fission occur. See here, पुन्हा एकदा बघूयात आपण what is mean by multiple fission. It is a simply means body part of that particular organism divided into many parts. This occur when there is a lack of food and water. At that time amoeba create a protecting cover around itself. That protecting cover or encysted amoeba called as cyst. And after that there is a division of nuclear membrane and cytoplasm takes place which consist of number of daughter amoeba. When they coming outside, when the favorable conditions are occur, they are coming outside in the nature. Okay, अशा पद्धतीनं मल्टिपल फिजन होतं. आता नंबर 3 दॅट इज नथिंग बट दी बडिंग. व्हॉट इज मीन बाय बडिंग? आकृतीमध्ये आपल्याला दिसते पहा. दिस टाईप ऑफ बडिंग इज परफॉर्म बाय yeast cell. Okay, what happen here? A small bud is occur on the surface of parent cell that is called as bulge, and due to this bulge a new bud is formed. And in this type what happen? The parent yeast cell is divided to form a daughter nuclei by mitotic cell division. By mitotic cell division. कशा पद्धतीनं हे सेल डिव्हिजन होतं? तर मायटॉटिक. ऑलरेडी मी तुम्हाला सांगितलेलं आहे की asexual reproduction is either happen by mitotically or amitotically. See here, what happen here? The new bud. Here is the birdच काय आहे बघा? बडिंग. म्हणजे इथे काय होतं? न्यू बर्ड फॉर्म होते. and after the growth of bird separate from this parent cell and start to live as a independent daughter yeast cell. Okay, like this budding is a happen. बघा, budding मध्ये काय होतं? parent yeast cellचं डिव्हिजन होतं. कशा पद्धतीनं डिव्हिजन होतं? मायटोटिक सेल डिव्हिजन होतं. अँड फायनली देर इज अ फॉर्मेशन ऑफ नंबर ऑफ डॉटर ईस्ट सेल टेक्स प्लेस. बघा, आजच्या व्हिडिओमध्ये आपण काय पाहिलं? तर मल्टिपल फिजन दॅट इज सेकंड टाईप ऑफ असेक्शुअल रिप्रोडक्शन इन युनिसेल्युलर ऑर्गॅनिझम अँड थर्ड वन इज दी बडिंग. अँड फर्स्ट कोणता बघितलेला आपण? बायनरी फिजन. बायनरी फिजन, मल्टिपल फिजन अँड बडिंग. ओके, इन नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ we will discuss about the asexual reproduction in